subsidiary of the UK-based and listed live media company Informa PLC. As an Indian entity, we provide diverse industries in the country with B2B platform enabling trade. Safe West India draws its pedigree from the immensely popular IFSIC India Expo, South Asia's largest security expo, which is organized annually in New Delhi since 2007. As a part of the expo, Safe West India is going to showcase security products and technologies pertaining CCTV and video surveillance, biometrics and RFID, access control, GPS system, parking automation and traffic control, among others, for the knowledge of end users and solution providers. India's current electronic security market is estimated to be valued at $12.1 billion. Various reports point to the market growing anywhere between 14 to 18% annually over the next 5 years. Growth in this market is largely due to ever-increasing requirements for security, coupled with the boom in technological transformation across all the segments of the society and humongous opportunity presented by government initiatives like Smart Cities and Make in India. Safe West India strives to showcase the role of modern-day technology in bolstering the security infrastructure. On that positive note, I would now like to invite the esteemed dignitaries and head of partner association and organizations to come forward for lighting the auspicious lamp. I would Mudras, Managing Director, Informa Markets in India. Our special guest, Colonel Sandeep Sabharwal, Corporate Head Security, Aditya Birla Group. Professor Amol Deshmukh, Police and Cyber Advisor, Department of Home, Government of Maharashtra. Our keynote speakers, Mr. Vijay Goyal, Vice President, Trade Association of Information Technology, Captain Sanjeev Tiwari, ARVP, ASIS India West Region. Our key partners, Mr. Ashish Dhakan, MD and CEO, Prama Hikvision India, Mr. Anup Nair, President Sales, CP Plus, Colonel SM Kumar, Co-founder and MD, Midcat Advisory, Mr. Alok Gelani, President, Federation of IT Association of Gujarat, Mr. Jiten Mahapatra, VP India, ZK Teco, Biometrics India, Mr. Pankaj Jain, Senior Group Director and Digital Head, Informa Markets in India, Mr. Rajiv Jain, Assistant Project Director, Security Portfolio, Informa Markets. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause.